This camera was released back in 2011. So why am I excited about purchasing one and using it in this day and age? One day I was scrolling through my AliExpress page and I came across the Hero 2. This can record 1080p videos at 30 frames, 24 frames and 25 frames, and can even do 60 frames per second if you decide to step down and shoot at 720p. It also allows you to use an SD card which can go to a maximum of 32 gigabytes, and it has a wide lens up front which can shoot 11 megapixel photos. But the battery life isn't that great and I have to charge it once through an entire wedding session which lasts the entire day. But if it was left to me, I'll definitely choose this over the rip-off 4K action cameras that you see virtually everywhere. And for those wondering how the video quality is, this is how it's like. The audio isn't that great. Stay tuned, a full YouTube review is coming up very soon. So let me know, guys, do you agree with me on this, or you still think the cheaper ones are going to give you better results? Let me know in the comment section below.